Welcome, so this is a documentary of my basic electronics project entitled Arduino Irrigation Pump System using DC motor and water level sensor with LED light and buzzer sound indicator. So this is the belt circuit and water pump prototype connected together for the project with a potentiometer, buzzer, LED light and water level sensor and the DC motor. So this is a closer look to the setup. So this is the written code that will be uploaded into the Arduino. So here we have a function that will detect and read the water level of the reservoir. So here we have in the loop the condition of the water level sensor. Testing if the circuit will function properly. We have the potentiometer as the switch for the DC motor water pump. First, power. So the buzzer and the light. The buzzer will sound and the light LED will also display light if there is low water. We put it into the water, it will stop. If it's out, it will on again, and we cannot turn the DC motor water pump on. So if there's enough water, there is no blinking and sounds, you can turn on. Our water pump. So here we have a irrigation system model connecting a tube or passageway from the water pump to the potted plant. So here we can see that the LED light and the buzzer is turning on and off, indicating that the water level is low in the reservoir. So inputting the water, and once the water level is high, it will turn off, and we can now turn on the DC motor using the potentiometer. So the water will travel from the water reservoir to the water pump, going to the passageway to the potted plant. So here we observe that the water did not reach the potted plant. It's due to the low water flow rate and the elevation of the passageway to the potted plant. So changing the orientation of the passageway, the water was able to travel from point A to point B and creating a successful irrigation system. So by turning the potentiometer, we can turn off the pump system, and this time I will show that once the water level is low, the pump system will automatically turn off and the LED light and buzzer will turn on to indicate the low water level. And refilling the water reservoir to have a high water level will respectfully turn the DC motor back on.